The removal of student allowances has caused some concern, with some students showing disappointment and confusion by this decision made by Cabinet. The chairperson of the National Training and Development Council says the government is pursuing alternative options and is in negotiations with StudyLink in New Zealand. Despite these developments, Training Award recipients for this year have been in talks with the NTDC in one-on-one student interviews. These discussions enable new and continuing students to voice their views and also outline student entitlements and obligations not only of students but also government. Last year, the Minister of Finance initiated the process to find an alternative for student allowances to be offered, but the aim is to find the most fair system and hope to find a resolution before students start their studies for 2011. However, this afternoon, students that have completed studies for 2008 to 2010 were acknowledged for their achievements in a special program held at the Whalefono.